One of my viewers and a very dear old friend of the family asked me to make some barbecue chicken. This is how we make barbecue chicken at the Byrd house. This is actually my husband's recipe, and he is teaching me how to use the grill. Typically, he barbecues our chicken. I confess, I do not do that. He does that. But I have had a few lessons on the grill, and I think I got it now.
So I'm starting out with 8 chicken thighs, and I'm going to take my kitchen scissors and I trim the fat off of it and the excess skin. And look at how much skin is on this chicken. My husband, who I will admit is much better than I am with meat, especially the chicken thighs, because he makes the best and he's certainly the master of the grill. But he and I had a discussion about this excess chicken skin and chicken fat. He says they roll it up under there and they charge you for it. So you're trimming off, look at this, that much fat, and you're getting charged for that. So of course you like the excess chicken fat and chicken skin. We do not, but you do you. Grab some paprika and we're going to sprinkle some paprika on these. Now we've got our grill at 350 degrees and we are going to put these on that top rack. My husband always cleans the grates before we cook on the grill. He said to let you guys know our grill isn't perfectly clean because we actually grill out just about every weekend if the weather permits. And by the way, we do not clean this grill with a wire brush. Those are dangerous. Do not clean your grill with a wire brush. You can definitely do some damage. It can get in your food and then it can get into your digestive system and you might have to have surgery. So don't clean it with a brush. Just a warning, and that's the nurse in me. After 20 minutes, we're just going to go ahead and flip this. Put that lid back down, and we're going to let this cook for 20 more minutes. Now just grab your favorite barbecue sauce. We like this Kentucky bourbon by Private Selections. You can find this at Kroger's or order it on Amazon. And it's expensive on Amazon, much cheaper at Kroger's. But go ahead and just baste that chicken. Don't be stingy, just pour it on there. And when you're basting, you don't want to just swipe it. You are actually going to pat it in so that it really sticks.
So how am I doing so far? I'm going to tell you a little story. I had my grill when I was younger. I used to grill a lot, and I did the charcoal grill, and then we got a gas grill. And one day I had the flame flare up at me and it scared me so bad I haven't grilled since. So my husband is giving me lessons. Y'all let me know how I'm doing, and we're going to check on this chicken again.
Now this has been cooking 15 minutes with that barbecue sauce on it, and we are going to flip it again and we are going to baste the other side. Just like that. And now we're going to cook this for 15 more minutes. And voila, we're done. How did I do? I think it looks great. And I'm here to tell you, it was good. It was so good. My husband was bragging on me, but I knew I could do it. I mean, I've been cooking since I was a young girl, and he's been cooking since he was young too. So we're a little bit competitive in the kitchen.